Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will give us an overview of the ManyChat Platform. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Alright guys, so let's do a quick overview of the ManyChat platform. ManyChat is a service that allows you to create chatbots for Facebook Messenger. A chatbot or a bot is a series of automated conversations that can answer common questions from your customers. This could be to explain what your products or services are. You can also use it to gather information about your customers and nurture them towards a sale. Now let's do a quick tour of the ManyChat dashboard. On the left side, you'll see the menu. The first one on the menu is the dashboard. This is where you'll see the overall statistics of your subscribers and unsubscribers. You'll also see here the link to your bot. Whenever your customer accesses this link, they will be redirected to your messenger. Next is the Audience tab. This is where you'll see the profile of your subscribers. On the right are the list filtered according to a tool each user opted in or subscribed to. We have the tags, widgets, sequences, and ads. Next, let's go to the live chat. This tool allows you to communicate with your subscribers in one place. Since we can connect the bot to multiple channels such as Facebook Messenger, SMS, and email, we can have conversations with each of our customers via the live chat. Next, let's talk about growth tools. This is where you can set up a widget or an ad to help you bring lots of subscribers into your bot. Next, we have broadcasting. This is similar to a message flow. This can consist of one message or several messages linked together. And under this tool are broadcasts and paid messages. Next is the automation. This is where we set up the automatic replies based on our customers' interaction with our bot. We have the main menu. This is where we can set up and suggest options for our audience. The default reply, where we can set up personalized response when the bot does not know what to answer. Next is the welcome message, or the message that they see after subscribing. Next is the keywords, where we customize replies based on keywords used by our customers. We also have the sequences. It's a ManyChat feature that allows you to subscribe users from your audience to the chain of messages that can be separated by delays of different lengths. The last one is the rules. This is where you can set up a trigger, and when it happens, the bot needs to perform specific actions or action. Now let's talk about the ManyChat flow or flow builder. Think of it as a visual map of all the messages, actions, and transitions between them. It gives you a bird's eye view of the whole interaction without having to switch between single messages. Now let's do an overview of the main bot settings. At the Generals tab, you'll first see the greeting text section. This is the message your user will see before they start an interaction with your bot. This may be a brief description or a lead test to make your future subscribers message your page. Next is the card URL shortener. This feature requires a pro subscription, and this records your messages CTR or click-through rate data. Next, we have the bot time zone. All exported data will be based on the time zone that you have set here. Next, we have the clone to another page. This transfers all contents of your bot to another page. This is useful if you want to reuse some of the contents that you have already made. Next, we have the refresh Facebook permissions. Messenger platform can unexpectedly drop page permission or admin password change. In case of any trouble with content sending or service setup, you can use this refresh permission to gain a smooth access again. Then we have keyboard input. You may disable keyboard input to make the persistent menu the only way for a person to interact with your Messenger bot. Then we have audience visibility. This hides all deleted and unsubscribed users in audience. Lastly, we have the disable bot for this page. This feature disconnects ManyChat from your Facebook page. It does not delete any content or subscribers, and you can easily gain access again by connecting your Facebook to ManyChat again. Don't forget to cancel Active Pro subscription first before disabling the bot. Now let's talk about the live chat tab. You can choose between two live chat behaviors. The first option starts a live chat session with any messages from a user. The second one requires a button or a quick reply before it starts a live chat session. Then we have personas in live chat. This is for a more personalized conversations with your customer. This allows your users to see the name and profile picture of the agent that they are talking to. Then we have close all open conversations. This allows you to mark all open conversations as done. Next, we have the sound notifications. This enables or disables in-app sound alerts. Lastly, we have the snippet. This allows you to create canned responses and send them in a live chat conversation in one click. Now on to the Grow Tools tab. First, we have the widget localization. This localizes your widgets by choosing a language from the list. English US is the chosen language by default. Authorized website allows you to add websites to your authorized list. Next, we have branding. Here you can turn off ManyChat branding in embeddable widgets, overlay widgets, and landing page growth tools. Let's now go to the notifications tab. The first section is the email address where notifications will be sent. Next, we have the frequency of the subscribers report. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly. Then we have live chat notifications. This enables or disables a range of live chat notifications to help you support your audience and track leads. The Notify Admins action is enabled if you want to receive notifications when a user performs a specific action in your broadcasts, welcome messages, opt-in messages, and so on. Lastly, we have the Messenger notifications. Opt into your bot to be able to receive bot notifications in Messenger and to preview bot content. Let's now go to custom fields. Custom fields allows you to create custom fields which can store any information about your subscribers. On the other hand, bot fields allows you to store your bot data and set the values depending on your subscribers' actions. They look like custom user fields but can store values which are related to your bot. For example, text, numbers, and formulas, date and time. Up next is the Tags tab. Here, you can create new tags and delete the ones you no longer need. A tag is a way to segment your subscribers. You can add and remove tags from users to indicate that they are a part or not a part of a certain group. We now go to the Users tab. Here, you can manage the admins of your ManyChat account. All users who have access to a particular bot within ManyChat have one of 4 user roles that define what sections of the ManyChat are available to them and can be changed. Then we have the Payments tab. On this tab, you can connect Stripe account, select currency type for your Buy button, and select Payments notification type. Order history for all purchases can also be found here. Next, we have the Integrations tab. You'll be able to set up third-party integrations using this tab. Next is the SMS Marketing tab. This tab is for keeping engaged with people who have expressed interest in your brand using SMS. Please be aware that it is currently available in the US market only. Next is the Email Marketing tab. Similar to SMS marketing, this is to keep your subscribers engaged using the email channel. The next tab is for billing. This tab manages your subscription. You can cancel or upgrade your subscription via this tab. Up next is the API tab. Here, you're able to generate a token to start using ManyChat API. The next tab is the installed templates. Under this tab, you will find all the templates that install to your page. Here you can see the contents of the templates and also customize some of its parameters such as address, phone number, and so on. Finally, we have the logs tab. In this section, you can see if there are any issues with your bot's functioning. Inside the logs, you will find a list of errors and fixes as they occur. When the issue is fixed, you'll see success note in the logs. Now let's talk about templates. Templates are basically a pre-designed bot structure that you can use so you don't have to start from scratch to do your message and action flows. You can select from any featured templates here, read the About section, and click Install when you're ready. The second to the last on our menu is the My Profile page. This is where you can add a Facebook page that you manage or you want to switch to. And you can also create your own template. The last tab is where you can generate your API token. Now, if you need additional information, you can simply click the help link at the bottom. You can select to read the documentation, watch the video tutorials, hire an agency, submit a ticket, or maybe join the ManyChat community.